Hello, P4. Wait lamang ako ay nag-enable ng streamer mode. Hello. Washi, hello, Nota. Ate! What? Somebody that's really old is calling me ate. Good afternoon, Viewport. Okay. Paint ulit tayo today kasi tapusin ko tong itong camellia flower. Wow! Ang ganda. Ay, pakita ko yung ginawa ko kahapon. Oh, waffle. Shiny, shiny. Tambay lang dito pa nagsasagot sa final summon. Good luck, Justin. Kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Ipinakanak kang malakas. Kakayanin mo ang wow, flower. And waffle. Edible. This is... Ang tawag dito? Pancake. Hindi nga siya opaque. Ang sad. Dapat konti lang palang kulay nilagay ko para opaque siya. Ay, opaque tuloy para transparent yung kulay. Edible. Pwede na. Caramel. Ito, hindi ko pa ito na-aayos. Paintan natin. Actually, meron akong kasalanan. Sabi ko, Wednesday or Thursday poem reading stream. Nakalimutan ko. So, baka mamaya magbabasa tayo ng mga konting babasa tayo ng mga konting babasahin. Ayan na. Kita nyo ba to? Grandma, no? With horror. Anong with horror? Kita nyo yan? Cute turtle. My turtle is super cute. My turtle is super cute. Headpats for turtle. Headpat. Ang cute talaga. Proud na proud ako dito. Oh, tignan, ang cute nung niya. Spots. Baby voice. What? Para siyang naka-diaper pala. Okay. Tapos, ito yung ginawa ko last time, money tree. Hindi ko pa pala ito nabubutasan. Tapos, ayun lang. So, pipaintan natin yung camellia. Good luck sa atin. Paano kaya natin ito kukulayan? Hello, Zach. We're gonna use pink because... Ay! Ala, wala pa pala akong tubig. Ayan na, may tubig na tayo. Tapos, magpipaint na tayo ng Anong ha? Ayan. Paintan na natin siya. Ayan na. Wow! Nagsisend siya ng gifts. Gifts. How am I doing? I'm all good. I'm gonna continue painting this. Cause yesterday I didn't get to paint this. Cause it was cracking. So I had to add some clay. Now it's dried up, so it's fine. Chill as always. Lauren, why not go and let somebody remove your hormones? That way, you can not just beat that. You can live without ever doing it. Wow! Ang ganda, diba? Camellia flower. Hello, Rio. Just remove it. Yeah. You can use, yeah, that's it. Kakasali ko lang. Ha? Did I say anything wrong? Nag-paint lang po ako ng flower. Nothing sus here po. There. Ang ganda-ganda! Sa mga iba pala dyan, hindi nyo pa nakikita ata yung nagawa ko kahapon. Papakita ko uli. Darky, shoutout mo daw si Woshi. Ayun o, ang cute-cute, diba? So nice. My turtle is super cute. Diba? So, continue muna natin to. Is this it? Tingin po yung waffle. Ito. Look at the waffle. Kulang pa yan ng ng lambing. Kulang pa ng kulay. Hindi siya mukhang waffle. Nilagyan ko ng parang texture. O, kita nyo ba yung sa taas? Honey glazed waffle. Cuteness overload. Akin na lang po si Turtle. Meron ng sa'yo na lang. Akin na lang. No, Turtle is mine. Kulang sa lamig yung waffle like us. May peanut butter. Hindi nga peanut butter yan, glaze yan. Kaso hindi yellow yung butter, ba't ganun? Turtle is mine. Is my turtle. Sobrang cute talaga! Hindi ako makaget over. By the way, you can landscape me para kita nyo ng mas malaking camera. Landscape here on TikTok, hindi sa VOD. Hindi pa pala ako sa VOD pala. Ay, dapat pala inuna kong kulayan tong nasa gitna. Oh no, kasi lalagpas-lagpas ako. Oh no. Oh no. Because you are what? Because you are old. It's mine. What basket number? Sorry po, may nauna na po. It's Marhaya. Sarap isilin. Hit lang. Somebody got a grand kit in chat. Pasensya na, Jevi. Oh my gosh, naputol. Naputol yung pinipintan ko. It's okay. There are other, hopefully, you guys are in a better place. And, in a better place with the other people's help, and we will pray for you guys. And if so kapag meron kayong mga nakitang donation channels sa social media, you guys can donate there. Grabe, puro Cebu yung puro Cebu yung hindi natamaan ng calamity. What? What? Somebody's a grandpa. It's true. Anong mods? Mods? Si Dark. Lagi noon ako nauunahan. At lagi ding naiiwanan. Yeah, we will pray for you all. Are you human? Kiyoshi, I think you're an owl. I don't think you're human. You don't look human to me. Ano nangyari sa Cebu? May masalanta ng bagyo. You're a titan, Kiyoshi. Are you tall like a titan? Maybe you're a dwarf, not a titan. So evil. Aray mo. Fishball with cat head. What? Ang fishball with cat head? Ay, ito! Dango! Alam nyo ba ito yung kauna-unahang ginawa ko on stream? Nung July pa to. Diba inayos ko tong camellia flower? Inayos ko rin to. Tinakpan ko yung crack sa gitna. So, pipaintan natin to. This is Dango. Yabang ni mama. Anong yabang? Ay! Mag-iingat kayong lahat dahil libre rin sunod na bagyo. Oh, yeah. Wow! Nakakapag-chat na si Aris. May character development. Kapag yan, wag kayong matakot, i-chat yan. Ano lang yan. Hindi yan, pag hindi niya kayo pinansin, sobrang nahihiya yun, hindi yun magsasalita. Ako yung gagamitin niyang spokesperson niya. Sabihin niya. Sabihin mo nga to. Gawin mo nga to. Kaya yung sa Discord na introduction niya, chichismis natin. Siyempre, ako nagsulat nun. Sabi ko, okay na to? Mga lalumaya. Mabait yan. Siya. Ang ating turtle. Hello, Nezzy. Tutorial po paano magluto ng longganisa. Gagawin mo, pag magluluto ka ng longganisa, kukuha ka muna ng sinulid. Tapos, ikot mo siya sa longganisa, tapos, yun yung gagamitin mo pamputol. Imbis na, na kutsilyo, kasi, isa kang magaling na nilalang, kaya gagamitin mo sinulid. Tapos, pagkatapos mo maputol, kuha ka ng, yung, rice cooker, tapos, magluto ka ng kanin, tapos ilagay mo sa taas ng rice yung longganisa. Steam longganisa. Ang lasa nun. Expired? Ano expired? Mayayain kayo. Paano tayo yan. To Aris, mahiyain ka paano tayo mamabayan? Grabe. Mag-donate sana ng kidney sa Cebu per natural disaster. Palakalo ko about that. I see. Hala, nag-aano pala siya. Nag-aano. Ang tawag dun? Nagdo-donate. Tingnan nyo, nakaka-proud rin makita kasi nga gumawa lang rin siya ng TikTok para manood dito. Tapos ngayon marunong na mag-donate. Alam ko ang nasa isip mo, ma. Ano nasa isip ko? Na longganisa? Bibilin ata ni Fable yung kidney mo, Kiyoshi. Hello, Mishi. Wait lang. Feeling ko matutunaw na to kasi sobrang pasmado yung kamay ko. Baka matunaw tong to. Longganisa kasi wala na siya. Ha? Longganisa kasi wala na siya. You're longing sa isa kasi wala na siya. Yan? Hindi ko mag-gets. Anyways, it's fine. Focus tayo kasi kasi malapit ko nang matapos tong stamen ba tawag dito? Ang ganda talaga. Papakita ko sa inyo yung gagawin ko dito. Hello, Yoshihiro. Yoshihiro? Yoshihiro. Parang Iba ating pangalan. Anyway. Pusa o aso? Pusa! Turtle. I see sunny side up. Sunny side up, this one. This is my eggs. My eggs look nice. One. And then this is another. It's a boiled egg. Hard-boiled egg. Ang cute talaga ng bulaklak na pink. Ha? Daga o elephant? Elephant. Si Yakiyoshi. This is camellia flower, Mishi. Camellia. Si Purple Z. Pang ilang na-snatch mo na yun? Siguro pang ano na yan? Pang 5 na. Medyo madala ngayon kasi maraming ayaw ng ayaw mag-upgrade sa 17. Oh, Shemay ka, may lagpas na. Sorry po. Words. Ang cool. Yoshihiro. Avocado na yellow. Anong avocado na yellow? Ang cute. Ipis o butiki? Butiki is nice. Ano yung chicharong bulaklak? Hindi po. This is, ano nga ba to? Camellia. Diba ang ganda? Ganyan. Tapos, dahil dapat ito yung inuna ko para nag-echo yung live ko sa'yo. Baka dalawa yung naka-open mo na live. Wow, nice. Yes, do your chores and work out. Wow! Nice. Paano maging mod? Name? Wait lang. Kailangan mo muna matransfer sa computer. Pag na-transfer ka sa computer, gagawin kang data, tapos pwede ka na maging mod sa Minecraft tsaka sa Roblox. Ata. Kidding! 3 valid IDs. Naglalaro ka po ba? Naglalaro ng puso mo? Ng puso niya? Ng puso ng mga tao? Hindi po. Hindi pa ako naglalaro. Buff. 10 years of experience. May ata pa, di sure. Wait lang. I'll read the donations in a bit po. Focus lamang. Para tayo ay... Oh my gosh! It's so yellow! Hindi pa tuyo. Wala, bakit nag-yellow? Oh no! Wait lang, kailangan ko ng tissue. To ang tissue galing sa McDo. Nakarating sa stream ni Marhaya. Ganyan. Pink muna. Dapat kakulay ng hair ko. Wala pink yung request eh. This is a commission. Pink yung request. First time ko nga lang gumawa ng ganito eh. Flower. Ito kasi sabi sa akin. Ito, gawin mo tong camellia flower. Tapos, sabi ko, sige. Tapos, paghanap ko ng camellia flower, ano ba? Paano ko ito gagawin camellia flower? Si McDo? Sino si McDo? Yan. Yon. Tapos, yung ibang petals naman, sakura na. Siyempre, lalagyan pa natin to ng shading. Natutuwa ako kasi gumagaling na ako di ako naglalaro. Hindi ako maglalaro ngayon kasi nagpipaint ako. Susunod ata ako maglalaro. Hindi ko alam kung kailan. Ginagawa ko lang kung ano gusto ko, tsaka kung ano yung kailangan gawin. Ito kailangan ko na to tapusin kasi bukas na yung deadline. Yeah, mukhang sakura flower. Hello, Ace. Ayan. Tawag doon. Nakututuwa ako kasi natututo na ako mag-digital painting. I mean, digital art. Tapos, natatransfer ko yung pag-paint rin dito sa pag-paint ko sa traditional. Tapos, ang galing kasi, parang nag-i-improve talaga. Kaya, ganda ng idea ng art collab. Kaya kung di pa kayo kasali sa Discord, I mean sa DC, please don't restrict me. Sali na kayo kasi may art collab event. May deadline yan? Wow. Commission. Kinomission ako ng kapatid ko. Parang narinig ko na boses mo in person.
Naku! Galax! Bakit mo naman ako nahanap? Hindi ba sabi ko wag mong sasabihin sa iba yung totoo kong boses?
Okay. Yeah. When you gonna paint the hand? The hand? Oh, I don't know when I could paint this because this hand is very important. I think this hand can be detached anytime and anywhere, but this hand is very robust and very useful, so I still use the hand. Sometimes it malfunctions and the fingers look like this, so it's gonna be a bit hard to paint it because there's creases here. Yeah, yun po. Si Emily TDID pa nag-online tapos ako, ha? Anong yan? What's your tea to spill, Leo? Boses ni Lolo. Ay! Don't speak in Lolo voice. It gives me flashback when I cried. What? Are you the one that cried in Lolo Ding? Mga lambing ni Lolo Ding story? Robust hand. What this hand can do. Why your finger bend like that? This isn't my finger. This is a mechanical hand that I use. It's lifelike, and I bought skin for it so that it looks like a real hand. And it's not a perfect hand, so it malfunctions po. Yes, unfortunately. Oh, I see. Detachable hands. Ayan. Uy, natutuwa ako! Ang ganda! Ganda. So, lalagyan ko yan ng red and purple. Hehehe, excited na ako. Hehehe. Anyways, maya-maya, lalagyan natin yan. Robot. Ano kaya attachment ng kamay? Ano kaya score ko sa test? Anong Elina? Ano yun? Oh, tatapusin ko na to. Yeah. With bed rotting, yeah, we can't really. Time passes by slowly, but also fast. Because hindi rin natin mamalayan. Ay! Umano na pala. Tagal ko na pala dito. Ganon. Taas ng recoil. Full basket of unwashed clothes. I have clothes na kailangan kong ihang. Ay, ihang pala itupi. Oh no. I have chores. I need to do chores later. No. Sim. ELNA is an ELNA is an acronym that stands for Early Language, Literacy, and Numeracy Assessment. So, if you score a higher score in ELNA, I think you would be doing really great in school, I think. Early Language, Literacy, and Numeracy Assessment. Ha? Pang ano ba yan? Pang bata? Parang early childhood? Preschool? Ha? What? Anyways, mga procrastinator. Alam nyo, free ko to nakuha. Itong cutter na to. Tapos, ang ganda pa siyang patungan, no? Kaya nahahawakan ko. Not preschool, then what? Bakit early? Diba ang early ginagamit pag sa mga preschool? Sasakal pag nakita nila kwarto ko. Ako kahapon naglinis, hehehe. Kasi, kahapon ba yun? Oo, kahapon. Kasi pupunta yung kapatid ko dito. Tapos, wala lang. Naglinis. Ehe. So, hindi ako nakapanood kahapon. Ano? Kahapon? Ay, oo nga pala. I-upload ko nga pala yung mga YT. Also, I forgot na pala sinabi ko na mag-poem reading today or kahapon. I forgot! So, baka mamaya mag-poem reading ako ng konti lang. Tapos, Tapos, tutuloy ko bukas. Bukas na yung real, as in, totoong poem reading stream. I am Saj. Yung damit namin di pa nalalabhan. Okay, tapos na tayo dito. Doon naman tayo sa likod. Ay. Pag ganyan. Yon, ang galing yun. Sobrang useful ng to. Don't read anything. What? Sad? What? But the poems I'm gonna read later are sad. Actually, ang ganda nung mga sinend ni Dark na na recent sa written works. Pero, if you want to have it read on stream, I'll gladly read it. Ako pala iiyak. Oh, kasi spoken word yon. Spoken word. Poetry yon. Sobrang ganda. Mahilig ako sa spoken word poetry. And yung alam ko sobrang intense ng emotions mo nung sinusulat mo yun. Kasi it shows. So, and it's they are masterpieces. So, wait. No, I don't now. I don't know that. I mean, I know pala. Cat's Eye kasi na nila, parang naging viral yung isa nilang song. But I don't follow them. I don't really follow artists na music artists. Kasi, ayun. Mahilig din po ako sa spoken. Hehehehe. Nag-reset na kamay mo, pwede na i-crack uli. Ha? Eto? Yummy? Tingnan na nga natin. Hello, nagma-malfunction. Oops! Ayan na, nag-malfunction. I think. Wow! Oopsie. Kaya yan. Lapit na matapos. So, Dark, would you want do you want me to read it on stream? So, we can share your very, very heartfelt, written works. Nole. Hihihihihi. Hello, Wenru. Wenru? Who are you? Are you Ruru? Pwede naman kaso kulang pa tayo. Yo. Kulang pa tayo ng ng mga viewers. Or kasi kung sino lang yung nandito na present, yung kanila lang yung taanokin ko, babasahin. Kasi sayang naman. Lalo na kung sikat. Do you prefer femboy or tomboy? I prefer soft boy. Po. Ikaw si Ruru. Kasi Wenru na yung pangalan mo, kaya ko tinatanong. Ha? Anong ha? I feel like if you made fried chicken, I would pay anything to buy it. Oh, I made the fried chicken already, pero from crochet. I made fried chicken. Uy, ang ganda! Oh my gosh. Pwede bang di ko na-paintan yung mga loob-loob? No, just pick one of them. Both! I pick both! Why? You can't just pick one. If you just pick one, then you're gonna lose. I think. Why pick one when you can pick both? Ano yan? Camellia flower. When kasi naging ako, hurururu. Ano? When kasi naging ako, hurururu. Ha? Hindi ko gets. Is this first request to be muted? Ang sarap humilata after makuha yung score. Kumusta ang iyong finals? Finals ba? Hi, Waki. Fried chicken. Wait lang. Painta natin to kasi... Ala, mag-aano nga pala ako babasa ng donations. Wait lamang. Basahin natin po ang donations. Is that edible? What? Mukhang fondant, no? Mukhang icing sa cake. Galing ko talaga! Wait, basahin natin. Ahem. Aristotle sent heart me. Aristotle sent love you so much. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent bibinka. Aristotle sent Gigi. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent cake slice. Aristotle sent love you so much. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent bibinka. Aristotle sent Gigi. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent cake slice. Aristotle sent fire. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent love you so much. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent Gigi. Aristotle sent rose times 2. Wow. Aristotle sent rose times 1. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent bibinka. Aristotle sent Gigi. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent fire. Aristotle sent cake slice. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent love you so much. W! What? Naging narrator si ate. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent bibinka. Aristotle sent Gigi. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent fire. Aristotle sent cake slice. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent rose. Aristotle sent you're awesome. Aristotle sent bibinka. Aristotle sent Gigi. Aristotle sent ice cream cone. Aristotle sent rose times 1. Times 1. Times 1. So times 3 na yun. Thank you so much, Aristotle. Ang sarap nung sauce. Ito! Hindi yan sauce. W. You're awesome. You're awesome. PJ59 sent heart me. PJ59 sent go popular. Thank you so much, PJ59. Wenru sent you're awesome. Thank you so much, Wenru. Grabe. Dami nun na. Si Aris may bilang salita kada araw. Wag mahiya makipagkwentuhan. Mag-aano na yan. Magka-character development. Magiging ano yan. Madaldal someday. Mango sauce. When is my birthday? My birthday? I don't know. I don't have birthday for Marhaya. I think February ata. Kailan ba ginawa tong TikTok na to? It's February. Yung first ever TikTok video. That's my birthday. Mango sauce pingi. I love your voice, to be honest. Thank you, Jen. My voice is quite beautiful, I must say so myself, because, I've been gifted by the gods, and I truly appreciate it when people also see how, beautiful it is. Happy birthday! Hulaan ko birthday ni Mama yearly. Yeah, you're not wrong. My gravy. No way. Anong no way? What no way? What no way? Anong no way? Ka-birthday niyo ako? Ano bang date no? Nung first TikTok ko na na video. Di ko pa na-check. Grabe, tignan niyo yung shape ng pink. Oh, meron ng sa gitna. But dinidip mo yung brush sa cheese? It's not cheese. It's mango juice. I'm gonna send you a Christmas song because I play instrument called bandurria. Wow! Nagbabandurria ka! Bandurria is a stringed instrument with lots of strings. Ano po yung gitna? Ano po sa gitna yung pink? Ano? Ano po sa gitna yung pink? Ha? What? Mag-voice acting ka na sa Disney, mag-audition. Hi. Hello. Hello everyone. I'm Marhaya. And I will sing for y'all. I'm a Disney princess. I can show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, no. Ay, mali pala. Lalaki pala yun. A whole new world. A new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, 100,000 things to see. I'm like a shooting star. I've come so far, I can't go back to where I used to be. I'm so happy. I think I'm living in heaven. I'm so glad. Okay, yan na. Tama na. Yung tawag dun. Yung kay Snow White. Joke lang. Hindi ko lang, yun lang ata alam ko. Hindi ko alam yung kay Snow White, no. Yung Tangled, alam ko Tangled. Flight attendant, singer at wait. Singer, waitress, voice actor. Ba't kasaming waiter? Dami na. Daming job openings for Marhaya only. All in one. Ayan. Okay na ba? Okay na ba? Okay na mga bata. Ngayon, ibabaliktad natin ang bulaklak. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ito kaganda. Siyempre, napakaganda nito dahil ako ang gumawa nito. Hindi nyo sukat akalain na magiging ganito ang itsura niya. Pero, humanda kayo! May final po ako sa English. Oh! Saj! No, wag yung voice ng bata. Ha? Voice ba ng bata? Hindi yung voice ng bata. Daming boses. All in one, Marhaya. Oh no, napipaintan yung yellow sa gitna. Pipaintan ko uli. Sino lalaban dyan? Ano sino lalaban? Because I remember that voice from the Lolo That Died story. 9/50 English. Galing mo naman. Bakit Bakit hindi mo bakit mo sinagutan yung iba? Missed opportunity for 0/50. Yan. Okay, mag-aano na tayo. Magsha-shading. Oh my gosh. First time kong gagawin yung shading ng ng gamit ay paint. So, tignan natin kung kakayanin natin. Hopefully, makayanan. Anong clay gamit ko? Ano po ito? This is air dry clay. Wait mo sa akin. Oh, may lalaban daw. Laban kayo ni Justin. No name. Ayan. So, color, red. Or dark pink na lang. Hindi, actually gusto ko red. Red yung nasa gitna. Yun na, kita nyo na ba? Yung red sa gitna. Pag nagkamali, anong gagawin? Papatungan. Ganon. This is how Marhaya rolls. Ano yun, ha? Papatungan ng paint. 115 over 100. Wow naman! Papatungan ng paint. Papatungan ng paint. Ng paint po. Ng paint. Wala man kahit pa paano English meters. Wow! 46 over 50 ah. Galing, galing. Pag nagkamali pa po. Ba't mo ni-note yun? Kulang kasi ng paint. Papatungan ng paint. Para ano? Para maganda siya. Ganun. Yan. Tingnan natin this finals. Good luck! Iba eh. Papatungan ng pink. Yes po. Test it? Naku! No name. Parang hindi ko ata yun kayang gawin kasi nagda-diet ako. Kapag tinest ko siyang kainin, mapuputol yung diet ko. Baka ikaw kaya mo. Tara. Try mo siyang kainin. Taste test mo. Kaya mo yan, dude. We believe in you. Yes! Good luck, Justin! What do I draw? Tapos, ayan. Okay na ba to? Tapos, lalagyan ko ng purple. Kasi gusto ko ng purple. Lagyan natin ng purple. So, kita niyo yung purple sa gitna. Mahilig din sa taste tests. Ang lasa niya ng paint color. Anong paint color? Wala, bakit may dito? May alikabok. Tama na to. Huwag ko na pang dagdagan. Masisira lang siya. Ayan na, okay na to. Tapos, lalagyan natin dito sa sa gilid-gilid. Mr. Fahrenheit, San Heart Me. Mr. Fahrenheit, San Go Popular. Thank you so much, Mr. Fahrenheit. Yay! Tapos, mag-aano na tayo. Yung red uli. Ikot-ikot lang. Ganda. Yoshi. Ganyan. Binabawasan natin yung kulay para hindi siya sobrang red na red. Wait lang, nagpo-focus. Ang ganda! Wow, first gift ni Washi! Ow, Rose. Thank you so much, Ow. Naging sabaw na ng Jollibee. Anong sabaw ng Jollibee? Ito! Pwede din may light pink para sa dulo ng petal. Yes! Yes. Hello, Mr. Fahrenheit. Change color ka, black and white. What? Bye! Thanks for being here, though. Wait lang. Whoa. Discovered the donate button. Alsan, you're awesome. Alsan, GG. Alsan, heart me. Alsan, TikTok. Thank you so much. Washi, just happened that I have money. Rich kid! Joke lang. Nagkaroon na ng baon si Washi. Low-key flex. Ganito pala pag rich kid. Ganda, oh. Trust the process. Mag-recall ng topic. Anong mag-recall ng topic? Manood sa live. Tapos lalagyan, ayan na! What the hecky? Kaso hindi ko gusto yung purple sa gitna. Mukha siyang kakaiba. Dagdagan na lang natin ng dark red or pinkish red. Or dark purple siguro, no? Dark purple. Te, akin yan, di ba? Hindi po. Processing? Hello, Saccharine? What are you processing? Whoa, looks so nice. Yes! Okay, sister niya. Processing the process. I see! Tapos lalagyan natin ng konting shadow yung ano, yung per petal. We're gonna put shadow per petal. I'm gonna read the donations in a bit. Thank you, Washi. Oopsie. What the? Someone is gifting again. Looks so nice. I'm so happy. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like after I had this painted. I'm gonna show you all. Wait a moment, I'm gonna get... So, essentially, what is that? It's pretty. It's camellia flower. This is what I'm gonna use. See, this is a clear thingy. And then I open it. Let me try to put it inside. If it gets destroyed, then I'm done for. This is how it should look like. See? Wow! So cool! But I'm gonna glaze it first. Ganda! Sheesh! Ganda! Sabi ko. Nice, I can use sticker. Yeah! Okay, let's read. Okay, we're gonna put highlights. Highlights. Saan mo nabili? This one? Sa shop. Ay, sa Orange app. I bought it from Orange app. How is auntie? I'm good! See? I painted a lot yesterday. Yesterday, I painted. Look. Saccharine. This is waffle. I'm gonna repaint this later, I guess. And this is pancake. I'm gonna make the butter yellow, more yellow. And then I made a turtle. Oopsie. What oopsie? What happened? So cute! Turtle is so cute! I finished turtle finally. Kasi wala akong kahapon. No problem. Couldn't make it, had an exam. No problem, guys. Finally, it's done. Feel! Aren't you happy? When you ask... It's because you asked for the turtle yesterday, and then I said, okay, it's finally time for the turtle to be painted. Because our turtle is cute. Because, it's inspired by a real turtle. By a real cute turtle. There. And then, I'm gonna add highlights here. We're gonna add white maybe. What if I'd add this? I'd add white. But may fries sa bulaklak. Anong fries? What fries? It's called the still or stamen. I don't know. I don't know what it's called, man. See? Nice highlights. Nice highlights. Whoa, it looks so nice now. Yes. Matuto yung nagpa-confirmation. Akin na lang turtle. Sorry, Dark. Turtle is mine. My turtle. Turtle is for Mariah only. Album number sa Yellow Basket. There. Auction for turtle starting. What? Sabi ni Dark, alright. Kalma. Magkano turtle ko? My turtle is priceless. Turtle is priceless. It's worth my life. Your. For 500 pesos. I-auction. Akin yung hotdog dog. This the hotdog dog. I put blush within the hotdog dog yesterday. 2 cents. What 2 cents? 2 cents USD. 500 pesos. What? No. The turtle is priceless. No amount of money can my turtle can replace my turtle. 100 USD. Grabe naman. That's a lot. There. Oh yeah, why am I holding this when I can put it here? Man. 50 real turtle. 400,000 won. What? 400 million won. That's a lot. Okay, I'll read donations. What the? I finished it and it looks so nice. I'll put more white here at the top. Because it's not pronounced. I want it to be really pronounced at the top. Because the top is what draws the eye in. But you know, it's okay to be a bottom as well. Your existence is it's nice, okay? Don't worry. Galing. Bend is devout. Is it audible? What the? It looks so nice. I add more here. Wow, it looks so nice. What the? My sister's gonna throw hands. Because it looks so nice. Something she would have never expected. Even I didn't expect I would make something like this. I was quite angry at first because I said, what? Am I gonna make this flower? I never made flowers before. And then, I wanna draw you. Aww. Very happy. Proud ate. Yeah. My sister is... I'm the older sister, but I call her my older sister. There. There. Yeah! Nice! Your sister will throw hands. She will throw my hand. Remember, my hand is detachable. Grandma, what? Oh, wait! I need to add thingies here. So, we're gonna add orange. Orangey. Look at how beautiful it is. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I didn't think I'd be really excited to paint this. But look at how it looks. I didn't use soft pastel. I painted it. That's the... I've always feared painting shadows or highlights because it's scary. But I did it. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Hello, Jose. Am I reading your name right? Jose, because it's like from the Jose Tiger and the Fish, right? Or is it Jose? I've always read it as Jose. See? Do you think it's French fries when it has orange? There! Looks nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yeah. Okay, I said I was gonna paint something. Oh, this dango! Dango! Ito yung... When I first made this, people... I think it was the first time people started watching me here on TikTok. And they were saying, ano yan, tik-wik-wik? Sorry, Carlotzy, I don't do requests. Dango yung sayaw. Oo, yung yung Latin American dance. Wait, ama search. Search muna kung nasan yung yung... Ay, kung anong itsura ng dango. I mean, anong color. I will Pinterest. I will search for dango clay. So, okay. Whoa, looks nice. I like the pastel color. I like this color. Okay. So, yeah. Just chill, guys. Oh no, what happened to my model? Why is my model in the middle? Okay. If they are not being nice, just don't engage, guys. Do not engage. I'll handle it. Ginagawa ko, nagpipaint. Papakita ko sa yung pinaint ko, Vane, ha? Tingnan mo, kita mo ba yan? Ako nagpaint niyan. Ang ganda-ganda. That's so nice. Then this one. I'm gonna paint Dango. So, pink first, and then white, and then green. But I will paint... Yeah, I'll paint the one at the bottom first. So, it's a light green. How do I produce that color? Kita ko pero ba't ka galit? Hindi ako galit. Hindi ako galit. Hindi ako hina-high blood. Hindi ako nagkikim-kim ng ilang taon. Ng ilang taon. Resentment. Hindi makapagtagalog ba? At hindi ako umaasa na maayos pa ang lahat kasi alam ko na ako lang masasaktan sa huli. Kasi ako na lang ang umaasa. Ako na lang ang naghihintay. Oops. Do not engage kasi kaya nawala siya kasi di kami na-engage. Oh, it's getting rough. Hindi ako kimchi ramen. Hindi ako means I'm not. Kakasali ka ng ganito ng bukan. I'm sorry, Kat. I'm sorry. Somebody's getting hurt again. I'm sorry. Marhaya is innocent. This is Dango, Kat Dango. I show you guys what I made. Aalis na lang ako. Aalis na lang ulit ako. Gagawin ko ang lagi mong ginagawa. Bakit kasi ako yung laging naiiwan? Kaya ngayon, ako nang mauuna. At tuluyan na akong susuko. Wala na. Wala nang tayo. Nagsho-show ng acting. Pasensya po, I'm sorry. Our dogs are angry. It's okay, don't worry, guys. Did I read PJ59? Anyway, I read this again. PJ59 sent Rose. Jose sent Heart Me. Wow, sent Bibinka. Thank you so much, Al. Thank you so much, Jose. Thank you so much, PJ59. Did I read this all? I don't remember if I read this all. Do you guys remember if I read it all? I don't remember. Not Kwek Kwek. This is Dango. It's okay. I'll read it again. I don't remember. Okay, nope. Al-san, you're awesome. Al-san, GG. Al-san, TikTok. Al-san, love you so much. Al-san, Cake Slice. Al-san, go popular. Thank you so much, Al. Ursatal-san, Rose. Ursatal-san, you're awesome. Ursatal-san, Bibinka. Ursatal-san, Fire. Ursatal-san, GG. Ursatal-san, Cake Slice. Ursatal-san, Ice Cream Cone. Ursatal-san, TikTok. Ursatal-san, love you so much. Ursatal-san, Rose. Thank you so much, Ursatal. Al-san, you're awesome. Anong pugo? Hindi yan pugo. This is Kat Dango. Al-san, you're awesome. Al-san, GG. Al-san, Cake Slice. Al-san, love you so much. Al-san, TikTok. Al-san, Rose. Al-san, Ice Cream Cone. Al-san, Bibinka. Al-san, Fire. Al-san, you're awesome. Thank you so much, Al. Yay! Hello, Anime Kid. Hello, Pong. Kala nyo Kwek-Kwek. Pugo kasi yung itlog ng Kwek-Kwek. Yeah, Kwek-Kwek is quail egg. Sorry guys, our doggo is angry. He's angry. I love Kwek-Kwek. Me too, I want to eat Kwek-Kwek now. But I already ate 2 eggs and laing. Yummy laing. Where's Chichi Boy? Oh, wait. Ta-da! This is Chichi Boy. See? Look at the face. Look at the fangs. Akin yung isang dog. Quick, 2 times or dango. What? This is dango. And this is the flower that I just finished painting. See? I'm so galing. I made this flower and then I painted it. After it dried. Saktong-sakto yung tsura kay Mr. Boy. Mr. Boy's derpy face. Sampaguita. No, it's camellia. Camellia flower. Camellia Homes. We're painting the dango because... Do you know, I made this dango last July. And I haven't painted it yet. Sigang pusa. Hindi yan siga. This cat is surprised. See, look at the fangs. July? Sino yung OG viewer mo nun? What's their name? Girls. They were mostly girls. Then, I can't remember. It's Huli, and Mary. Yeah, that was their names. They were so kind to accompany me during live. But July, I think Mr. Fahrenheit was also there back then. Mr. Fahrenheit is one of the OGs. Still the same avatar. Yeah. My YouTube VODs doesn't show the chat because I didn't know how to add the chat as overlay. Grandpa Mr. Fahrenheit. Old. There. There, look at the dango. And then I'm gonna make green. Your adopted son is here, mother. What? You're only. I always thought it's read as you're only. I thought it was like ironically. But now I just read it, it's called you're only. Dang. Okay. We're gonna add a little bit of blue because it's not the right color that we want. So a little bit of blue. Have you done the Japanese egg with eyes and mouth? Japanese egg? What? No, I haven't. What Japanese egg? These are the other things I painted. You can see it. Oh yeah, I'm mixing, but you can't see. You can't see that I'm mixing. I'm making a pastel green color. Can you put aquamarine perchance? Here? This is the paint that I have. I'm gonna use a pastel color pastel color. Oh, my model's glitching. Hello, Venice. I'm gonna put green, not aquamarine. Oh, Gudetama? No, I haven't made Gudetama yet. Let's see if this works. I think I might need more. I think I might need a lighter green. Does this work? Is this fine? I think it's okay. All good. Whoa, Dango! Hello, Waki, you're back? It's fine. Okay. Nice color. Yes! Finally making a dango! What? In this day and age, what? July, September, October, November. After 3 months, I painted the dango. What? Well, better late than never, I guess. It looks so nice. Kick. Yes. Whoa! I'm so cool! I am so cool! I made this! Hello, P. What's your name, P? I don't remember. It looks good. It does. It does. But I think the green is too dark. Somehow. Or is it fine? Balls. Nasa Zoom. What? Good luck. Good luck, Justine. You got this. I'm focusing. I'm focusing. Yes, I'm gonna put resin with yeah, I'm gonna make this glossy. I usually gloss I gloss everything because it's so that it will last a long time. Yay! So nice! What? Can I make cabbage? Cabbage! After this? But cabbage... Somehow... It sounds interesting. I'll write it down. Cabbage sounds interesting. But I'm not sure if I will make it because I'll look up references. Yeah, believe in yourself, Justine. Okay, there. Adel. Pechay Baguio. Napa cabbage with a face. Kinda nice. Okay, I paint cream. Or white. Yeah, I paint just white. Not cream. I'm so happy. I finally got to paint this. I've always wanted to paint this. But I was procrastinating because there were cracks. I couldn't paint it if there were cracks. So now, I finally got to paint it. Yay! Oh wait, did I read Washi's donations? I forgot! I'll read it again. Aosant Bibingka, Aosant, love you so much. Aosant, love you so much. Aosant Rose, thank you so much, Ao. Thank you, Washi. I don't remember. I'm sorry, guys. It's part of the stream. There. And then... Oh. And then I paint white. You're cool, please don't go bald. What? Are you cursing me to go bald? Are you trying to be nice, but in your head, in your mind, you're cursing me? What? I'm kidding. There. And then... we just paint it white. So that it looks nice. Oh no! Now I have to paint over again. Papatungan na naman natin. Oh! Meron kasing white dun sa gilid. No! I don't want to paint again. It's fine. See, there's white in there. But it was green already earlier. But because of my hands... Yes! Done! Done! We're gonna put a face on the cat dango. How do we make the face? Careful. So we're gonna make the eyes, put the eyes here. Here. Okay, we got this, we got this. Wait, I need to paint it pink. Again, because there's white spots. Cut off face. Okay, what color is the cat's snout? Galing. Yo, dango play cat. There's no dango clay cat picture. Dang. You make keychains? If yes, make 50 of them so it distracts you and steal your skills. Sorry, Shroomimoo. I already cursed myself for a long time, and I have pending. So much pending keychains. Dang. And then, what color should this be? What color? White snout? Let me look up references. What color is the snout? Anong oras ako nag-live? 1 hour and 30 minutes ago. Oh no! 1 hour and 30 minutes. I need to finish this so I can do story time. Because my phone has only... How many charge? It's 36%! What type of clay do you get? I buy clay. It's always like melted. This is air dry clay. Okay. It's the balls should be white. I mean the snout, not the balls. This is Jovi air dry clay. Kaya pa 1 hour yan. Ha! There. My phone drains easily. Mga ano na lang to, 30 minutes. What? Harry? What do you mean 100 viewers? My normal viewers are 4 until 10 people. You know? Marami lang nakikichismis kapag nagluluto ako. Pero minsan lang kasi rin ako magluto. There. Yo! And then, I paint the ice. Where's our... Baka magkaparehas lang ata kayo nang napuntahan kong live. Anong magkaparehas? What are you talking about? Okay. I'm gonna put ice. Where will we put the ice? Here. Big-eyed Kato. Sorry, the dog is angry. Okay na to. Hindi pantay yung mata. It's fine. We paint over it. We paint it again. Sorry. Penning. Hindi po ako nag-shoutout. We paint it again. Food nga to. Dango, kat dango. Yan, balikan natin siya. Paintan naman natin yung handle. Yung stick. cute. Yes, it's cute. Wala pa ba stock na order ko? Anong order mo? Tada! Cat Dango! Na wala pang mata. Ayun, tamang tao. Naku, ma'am, sir. Baka pwede po maghanap na lang po kayo ng ibang orderin. Baka po yung tamang hayop naman po. Meron po kami ditong pusa at meron din po kaming pusa. Puro pusa lang bang meron kami? Hello, Yvonne! The stick is clay. This is toothpick but I covered it with clay. Like this. Ano ba yung ice cream? This is dango. Ayan, no? Toothpick yan, kinoveran ko ng clay. Papakita ko muna sa inyo habang nagpapatuyo. Papakita ko yung nagawa ko. Ito. Pancake! Paintan ko to ng yellow. Tapos, waffle. Tapos, camellia flower. Next naman is adobo. What? Everything is clay. Are you clay too? I think I might be part clay. I might be half Filipino, half clay. Nagugutom na ako. And then, this one. The one that I'm most proud of is this turtle. Yee! So cute! It's the Galaxy Turtle. So cute! Hehe. Okay, let's continue painting the eyes. Cute turtle, yes. Yung price Galaxy. What? My turtle is priceless. It's mine. The turtle is mine. Okay. I'm gonna add ice. Pantay na ba? Perfect! And then, we're gonna put whiskers. But I want white whiskers, not black. We're gonna paint white. Magkalayo yung mata, dagdagan pa. Anong dagdagan? Di ko naangginin yung turtle. Baka may magalit na naman. Next naman, Jupiter. Anong Jupiter? Lagyan natin ng ano. ML? Hindi to ML. Anong ML? Lagyan ng mata sa noo. Grabe naman. This is Cat Dango. Hello, hello, Aryan. I'm making Cat Dango. Tada! Done. Now I don't want to touch dangos anymore. Woo! Still making random stuff. I see what. This is what I made today. So beautiful. But I'm now gonna stop here because I'm gonna do story time. Because my phone cannot handle it. This one is camellia flower. I made this and then I painted it after it dried for how many days. And then this is Mr. Chichi Boy. And then this is Turtle. Turtle! Hi, I'm Turtle! Hi! That's not Turtle's real voice. That's my impression of Turtle. Ba't ganun pusa ko may sakit? Hindi, ano yan? Derpy face. Kita yung pangil. Looks weird like those other stuff you made. What do you mean weird? I have good things. See? This is magnetic burger. Only for couples because it's magnetic. And I have magnets. Yeah. Magnet cookies. Okay, I'll get... What was I gonna get? I will now get storybook. Parang meme. Couples only, yes. What's our story time? I'm gonna get a storybook. Wait a bit, Yari. Okay, we don't really have, oh my gosh, wait lang. The model. Okay, I got it. Akin na yung burger na yan. Where's the burger? I show off the burger. There. Magnetic burger. Story. So, I'm gonna read two. One is a Tagalog and the other one is English. Okay? Naging bata rin. Kwento ni Edgar G. Velda Jr. at guhit ni Ayan A. Agtay. I'm gonna read the English later. Palagi akong nagtataka kung ano ang espesyal sa mga magulang ko. Kapag kinikwento ko sila sa aking mga kaibigan, sinasabi nilang tila hindi raw sila tulad ng kanilang mga magulang. Isang araw, habang naglalaro ako sa labas, hindi ko pa napansing puro putik ng damit ko. Kinabahan akong umuwi dahil baka ako'y pagalitan. Pero, pagdating ko, niyakap lang ako ni Mama nang nakangiti. Tinanong ko si Mama kung hindi siya nalungkot na nadumihan ang damit ko. Ang sabi lang niya, naging bata rin ako. Tanda ko na masayang makipaghabulan sa damuhan at hindi maiiwasang maputikan. Sabay hikayat sa akin na maligo na at maghanda para sa hapunan. Minsan, nakabasag ako ng salamin sa bahay. Natakot ako nang makita ko ang mga bubog sa sahig. Pero, pagdating ni Papa, inaplos niyang likod ko at tinanong kung ayos lang ako. Tinanong ko si Papa kung hindi siya nagalit na nabasag ko ang salamin. Ang sabi lang niya,
naging bata rin ako. May mga nagawa rin ako noon na hindi ko sinasadya. Ang mahalaga, subukan nating wag na itong mauulit.
Sabayaya sa akin na tulungan siyang magligpit. May araw rin na hindi ko natapos kainin ang niluto ni Mama. Hindi ko kasi gusto ang lasa, kaya nahirapan akong ubusin. Hinaplos lang ni Mamang balikat ko at tinulungang hatiin ang natitirang pagkain sa aking plato. Tinanong ko si Mama kung hindi siya nasaktan na hindi ko nagustuhan ang niluto niya. Ang sabi niya,
naging bata rin ako. May mga pagkain din akong ayaw kainin noon. Pero, basta kaya, sinusubukan ko pa rin.
Sabay hiling sa akin na kumain pa ng 2 subo bago tumigil. Isang gabi, napuyat ako sa kakapanood ng TV. Sinabihan lang ako ni Papa na patayin ito bago niya ako kinarga papuntang kama. Tinanong ko si Papa kung hindi siya nainis na hindi agad ako natulog. Ang sabi niya,
Naging bata rin ako. May mga araw din na sobrang saya ko sa panunood na nakalilimutan ko ng oras. Bukas, matulog tayo ng mas maaga.
sabay kumot sa akin at sinabing,
Tulog na.
nung gabing yun, sumilip si Mama sa kwarto para kumustahin kami ni Papa. Madilim na sa kwarto pero gising pa rin sila dahil sa akin. Paalis na sila nang tanungin kung, pagod na po ba kayong alagaan ako? Kinabahan ako nang huminto sila sa pinto. Ano kaya ang talagang nararamdaman nila sa akin? Nagkatinginan si Mama at Papa at napangiti. Sabi nila,
Kapag naging magulang ka na, mararamdaman mo rin ang lahat. Makararamdam ka ng saya at tuwa, ngunit pati pagod, lungkot at minsan pati galit. Normal lang yun bilang magulang. Pero ang pinakamalaking pakiramdam sa lahat ay ang pagmamahal namin sa iyo. Sa ngayon, tuloy ka lang sa pagiging bata. Mahal na mahal ka namin, anak.
pagkasabi nito, binigyan ako ni na Mama at Papa ng tig-isang halik bago sila lumabas sa kwarto. Hindi ko alam na marami rin palang nararamdaman sila Mama at Papa tungkol sa akin. Pero kahit ganun, ang lagi nilang pinaparamdam sa akin ay pagmamahal. Siguro kaya sila espesyal. Habang papikit na ang aking mga mata, napaisip ako kung kaya ko rin ba maging magulang. Napayapa ang aking isip nang maalala ko ang lagi nilang sinasabi. Siguro, magiging espesyal din akong magulang tulad ni Mama at Papa. Dahil tulad ko, sila ay naging bata rin.
At dyan, nagtatapos ang naging bata rin. Kwento ni Edgar Belda Jr. at guhit ni Ayan A. Agtay.
Oh, it's so...
Buti pa siya, yeah. Alam mo, nakakaiyak tong story na to kasi for us who experience childhood trauma, it's so unrealistic. Pero it's also uplifting to know that there are parents who actually do positive parenting for their children. And there's also hope for us. Even though we've experienced childhood trauma, it doesn't mean that we will also be parents who will continue with a cycle. We have control over our lives now. We're not helpless children anymore. So we can be the parents that our inner child couldn't have.
Yeah! So that's my TED Talk.
Oh, I really love this story. So, I'm just so lucky that I got this book. So lucky. Sim edible book. Asan si Turtle? Ito po, pakita ko sa'yo, Marky. Look. Look at Turtle! With spots and the face. Hihihihihi. Look at the face of Turtle! So happy!
Turtle is happy because my eye is dreamy.
Pwede na kainin. Okay, I'm gonna get the other book. This one is kinda long, but this is the favorite book
of my students. So this is English. We're going on a bear hunt by Michael Rosen and Helen Oxenbury. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. We're not scared. What a beautiful day. Uh-oh! Grass! Long, wavy grass! We can't go over it. We can go under it. We're gonna have to go through it. Swishy, 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 swishy. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. We're not scared. Uh-oh! A river! A deep, cold river. We can't go over it. We can go under it. We're gonna have to go through it. Splish, splash, splosh, splash, splosh. Wait lang. The light is so bright. There. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. We're not scared. Uh-oh. Mud. Thick, oozy mud. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We're gonna have to go through it. Squelch, scorch, squelch, squirch. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. We're not scared. Uh-oh! A forest! A big, dark forest! We can't go over it. We can't go under it. Oh no! We've got to go through it. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh! A snowstorm, a whirling, swirling snowstorm. We can't go over it. We can go under it. Oh no! We're gonna have to go through it. Ooh, 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 ooh. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. We're not scared. Uh-oh. A cave. A narrow, gloomy cave. We can't go over it. We can go under it. Oh no, we're gonna have to go through it. Tip-toe, tip-toe, tip-toe. What's that? One shiny, wet nose, two big, furry ears, two big, goggly eyes. It's a bear! Quick, back through the cave. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. Back through the snowstorm. Woo, 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 woo. Back through the forest. Stumble, trip, stumble, trip. Back through the mud. Squelch, squelch, squelch. Back through the river. Splash, splash, splash. Back through the grass. Swishy, 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 swishy. Get to our front door. Open the door. Up the stairs. Oh no! We forgot to shut the door. Back downstairs. Shut the door. Back upstairs. Into the bedroom. Into the bed. Under the covers. Phew! We're not going on a bear hunt again. The end. And that was We're Going on a Bear Hunt by Michael Rosen and Helen Oxenbury. Yo! Favorite, tama. This is why kids love it. It's rhyming. It's not rhyming. It has a sing-song tone, and it's repetitive. So the We're Going on a Bear Hunt, it's repetitive. And it's funny because what a beautiful day and we're not scared. It's so funny. It's funny as well. So, right? It's so silly. Why go on a bear hunt? Ano daw? I feel like a child again. I don't know who Mitsuri Kanjori is. So, that's all for today. I'm gonna show you guys the things I made today. And then I'm gonna read donations and then I'm gonna end stream. See, this is a camellia flower. I made it from clay a few days ago, and then after it dried today, I painted it. Bukas yung poem. Oo nga, bukas na yung poem kasi wala nang time today. And I made katdangu. Yeah. I'll show you my turtle again because turtle looks so nice. This is my turtle. My turtle is super cute. So cute. There. And I show off Chichi. Mr. Chichi. Chichi boy. And then I have this waffle and pancake. How po tumigas yung clay? Chloe. You have to buy air dry clay. It's called air dry clay. I use the brand Jovi air dry clay. So after you make it, let it dry for 1 to 2 days, and then you can paint it. I use gouache paint. And then I coat it with UV resin. See? That's why it's so shiny. Whoop! It's magnetic for couples. It's a couple keychain. I'm gonna add a thingy another time. See? Yo! Seikya. No, sorry. Ryuzen Takomaki. I don't do requests. I do things. I do what I want. How much? I'm not sure yet, but this costs more because it's two pieces. So I think this is gonna be, I don't know, double the price because it's 2 pieces. Okay, time to create anime figures now. What? Yeah, and then I'm just gonna read the donations and then we're gonna end stream. Bababili kay Naimi. Noxicon sent heart me. Thank you so much, Noxicon. Aristotle sent Rose. Aristotle sent You're Awesome. Aristotle sent Bibinka. Aristotle sent Fire. Aristotle sent GG. Aristotle sent Cake Slice. Aristotle sent Ice Cream Cone. Aristotle sent TikTok. Aristotle sent Love You So Much. Aristotle sent Rose. Aristotle sent You're Awesome. Aristotle sent Rose. Aristotle sent You're Awesome. Aristotle sent Rose. Nagsalit-salit! Gusto talaga ako pabasahin. Aristotle sent You're Awesome. Aristotle sent Rose. Aristotle sent You're Awesome. Aristotle sent Rose. Aristotle sent Club Cheers. Thank you so much, Aristotle. Yay! Thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will catch you all tomorrow. We're gonna have poem reading stream, so if you want to feature your poem, join our Discord server. Just message me here on TikTok for the link for our Discord server, and then you can submit your poems in the Poems to be Read channel so that we can read it tomorrow. Okay? Just DM me for the link. And see you all in the next time. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Turtle next to Marhaya. Bye-bye! Karaoke event sa Discord. Try natin Sunday kung kaya. Yeah, bye everyone! I'll end record.